it's fascinating what comes out in my books, because normally what you read at history books is normally just bullshit to protect the scum of the earth, which is the Jesuits as well as politicians who float in what they speak. I call them a third brigade in my books. Now, you all know, of course, about the London Blitz, which wasn't much of a blitz to begin with, and the English almost cracked. If you read the reports of the day, you can see they were very worried that they will actually be. They couldn't really take it. Yeah, no fighting words, but true. And anyway, you all know that London was, of course, bombed by the Luftwaffe without reason. Yeah. Of course, it's not so, of course, that RAF bombed Berlin 3 times before the Luftwaffe actually struck back. Do you know that? Yeah, probably not. If not, you should read my books. And then, of course, everybody talked about Guernica. It was during the Spanish Civil War where the Luftwaffe attacked this place, an open city, and they just razed it, and thousands of people died. Yeah, 37, according to the police reports, 37 people died, and it was a tactical strike. It was supporting ground forces, not strategic. There you go. So we go into that into great detail. Also, there was an incident at Durango just before, where a lot more people actually died, but which nobody knows about. We also look at the Italian General Due, Giulio Due. He was one of his bomber barons. He was the one who said, "We can, with the Air Force, you can destroy, you can win any war," which is bullshit in the extreme. Look at what's happening today, where Americans now for the third or fourth time are trying to bomb Iran into submission. And we're not going to succeed. They've never succeeded, and they're not going to succeed now either. All what's happening is these guys are responding, and they're just hitting them, and they're chasing them out of the Middle East. That's probably what's going to happen. But if you want to know more about that, read my other book, Oath of Evil, The War on Protestantism, where you'll find out exactly what's going on in the world. It's not what you are told in the newspapers. So anyway, that's the story of Guernica. Yeah, it's very, very interesting history on the side.